Good morning. It is now 11 a.m., the deadline for bid submittal. Bid announcements are not final and binding upon the city. They are all subject to review for completeness, accuracy, and compliance with all the terms and conditions provided in the bid specifications. The bidders must bid all line items set forth on the proposal pages, except to the extent that the specification allows otherwise. In the event that a comparison of the bidder's unit price and total price submitted for any line item reveals a calculation error or other discrepancy, the unit price will prevail. The Chief Procurement Officer reserves the right to correct minor math errors and accept minor variances in a bid. This is an e-procurement bid opening. Only electronic bids are being read. Paper bids are not allowed. I will now begin reading the bidders, the total base bids, and the award criteria. So for today, we have two specification numbers. Our first specification number is 1297544. The RFQ number is 51605. This is for block level lead service line replacement, West Adams Street, and this is an SBI-II. The procurement specialist is Diane Smuziak. Our next specification is a task order. The specification number is 469935. The RFS number is C.-25-0002. This is for Emergency Bridge Repair, Austin. The Senior Procurement Specialist is Venkatesh Udayar. So for our first specification number, 1297544, which is block level lead replacement, West Adams Street, and it's an SBI-II. I will now begin reading the bidders. We have a total of 5 bidders for today. The first is Advanced Water Solutions, LLC, with a bid of $529,390.00. Repeating, that is $529,390.00. And an award criteria of $520,491.04. Repeating, that is $520,491.04. Our next bidder is MQ Sewer and Water Contractors with a bid of $1,705.00. Repeating, that is $1,705.00. And an award criteria of $944,665.51. Repeating, that is $944,665.51. Our next bidder is Millennium Contracting Corporation with a bid of $633,964.00. Repeating, that is $633,964.00. And they have an award criteria of $621,284.73. Repeating, that is $621,284.73. Our next bidder is Sustainable Sewer and Water, Inc., with a bid of $629,830.00. Repeating, that is $629,830.00. And an award criteria of $588,324.20. Repeating, that is $588,324.20. Our last bidder for this spec number is United Enterprise with a bid of $608,320.00. Repeating, that is $608,320.00. And they have an award criteria of $556,612.80. Repeating, that is $556,612.80. So that will conclude our bidding information for that spec number. For our next spec number, which is a task order for specification number 469935, we have one bidder for today. The bidder is F.H. Passion, S.N. Nielsen and Associates, LLC, with a bid of $722,700.00. Repeating, that is $722,700.00. And an award criteria of $722,700.00. Repeating, that is $722,700.00. And because F.H. Passion, S.N. Nielsen and Associates, LLC, is our only bidder for this spec number, that will conclude our bidding process for today. Thank you and enjoy your day.